dive into the intriguing universe of nucleotides, the fundamental units of DNA and RNA. In DNA, we have four main players: adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine. Adenine, a double-ring purine base, forms a pair with thymine in DNA or uracil in RNA. This AT or AU base pairing is crucial for maintaining the structure of the DNA and RNA molecules, ensuring accurate replication and transcription. Thymine, a single-ring pyrimidine base, pairs with adenine in DNA. This AT base pairing ensures the fidelity of DNA replication and helps maintain the genetic code during cell division and DNA repair. Cytosine, another single-ring pyrimidine base, forms a trio with guanine in both DNA and RNA. This CG base pairing contributes to the stability of the DNA double helix and is vital for accurate replication, transcription, and translation processes. Guanine, like adenine, is a double-ring purine base. It pairs with cytosine through hydrogen bonding, forming the GC base pair. This base pairing, along with AT or AU base pairing, ensures the fidelity of genetic information transfer and helps maintain the stability and structure of DNA and RNA molecules. The specific sequence of these bases within genes determines the sequence of amino acids in proteins, governing the structure and function of cells and organisms. Truly, nucleotide bases are the essence of life as we know it. Welcome to the fascinating world of nucleotide bases, the elementary components of DNA and RNA. Let's take a closer look at their structure. First up is adenine, a double-ring purine base. Its structure comprises a 6-membered and a 5-membered nitrogen-containing ring fused together. The two rings form a flat, planar structure, facilitating its pairing with thymine in DNA or uracil in RNA. Next, we have thymine, a single-ring pyrimidine base. Its structure consists of a 6-membered ring with 2 nitrogen atoms. The ring's planar structure allows it to pair perfectly with adenine, maintaining the structure and stability of the DNA molecule. Moving on to cytosine, another single-ring pyrimidine base. It has a structure similar to thymine, consisting of a 6-membered ring with 2 nitrogen atoms. This structure enables it to form a trio with guanine in both DNA and RNA, contributing to the stability of the DNA double helix. Lastly, we have guanine, a double-ring purine base. Its structure features a 6-membered and a 5-membered nitrogen-containing ring fused together. Just like adenine, the planar structure of these two rings allows guanine to pair up with cytosine, forming the GC base pair. These intricate structures of purine and pyrimidine bases are crucial for their function in DNA and RNA. The double-ring structure of purine bases and the single-ring structure of pyrimidine bases allow them to pair up and form the structure of the DNA and RNA molecules, maintaining the fidelity of genetic information transfer. This makes them the building blocks of life as we know it. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the structure of these nucleotide bases in the next scene. In Scene 1, we delved into the fascinating world of nucleotide bases, the elementary components of DNA and RNA. Now, let's take a closer look at their structure. Adenine, a double-ring purine base, is one of the 2 types of nitrogenous bases found in nucleotides. Its structure comprises a 6-membered and a 5-membered nitrogen-containing ring fused together. Next, we have thymine, a single-ring pyrimidine base. This base's structure consists of a 6-membered ring containing 2 nitrogen atoms. Its simplicity allows it to perfectly pair up with adenine, forming the backbone of our DNA. Cytosine, another single-ring pyrimidine base, shares a similar structure to thymine, with a 6-membered ring containing 2 nitrogen atoms. It's interesting to note that this simple structure allows it to form a trio with guanine in both DNA and RNA. Speaking of guanine, it's time to explore its structure. Guanine, like adenine, is a double-ring purine base. Its structure features a 6-membered and a 5-membered nitrogen-containing ring fused together. The specific structure of these bases is crucial for their function in DNA and RNA. The double-ring structure of purine bases and the single-ring structure of pyrimidine bases allows them to pair up and form the structure of the DNA and RNA molecules. So, while they may seem small and simple, their role in the grand scheme of life is monumental. The structure of these bases is the key to unlocking the mysteries of genetics and the blueprint of life.